Namaste. My name is Partho Majumdar. The academic study of history, cultures, languages, and literatures of Indian subcontinent is commonly referred to as Indology. The multidisciplinary field encompasses various subjects, including anthropology, archaeology, linguistics, history, philosophy, arts, and religious studies. The word Indian represents the whole of India, referred to as Akhanda Bharat, which stretches from Burma, the modern day Myanmar in the east, to modern day Afghanistan in the west. The concept of Indology was established in the 18th and 19th century by European scholars who sought to study the cultures and languages of Indian subcontinent systematically. The decipherment of Indian ancient scripts such as Brahmi and Kharosthi and the translation of significant texts like the Rig Veda facilitated this. William Jones' formation of the Asiatic Society of Bengal, later named as Asiatic Society of India in Calcutta in 1784, formalized the study of Indology. Indian scholars like Samiran Chandra Chakrabarti prefer to call the field of study as Bharatatattva. Tattva is a Sanskrit term which can be translated as thatness, principle, element, or reality. India is also called Bharat as per the Constitution of Republic of India. As per the Constitution, Bharat and India can be used interchangeably. The country is called Bharat as the dynasty of King Bharat ruled the subcontinent uninterrupted for 2700 years. It is in the 2020s there is a movement to name the country as Bharat. Bharatattva has many branches, each focusing on specific aspect of Indian subcontinent's rich heritage. The first branch is historical. In historical Bharatattva, the type focuses on studying the historical developments, events, and figures in Indian history. The next branch we can cover is philological. The philological branch studies Sanskrit and other Indian languages and literature. Philosophical and religious branch of Bharatattva delves into the India's diverse philosophical traditions and religious practices, including Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. The cultural branch of Bharatattva focuses on studying the arts, architecture, music, dance, and other cultural expressions of India. The last branch we can talk about is the anthropological and sociological branch. This branch examines the social structure, the cultural practices, and other aspects of the Indian society. Many scholars have contributed to the study of India. Here is a list of foreign scholars who contributed significantly to the study of India. The first scholar we refer to is Max Muller. Max Muller was a 19th century German scholar known for his work on comparative religion and translating Indian texts, including the Rig Veda. The next person we refer to is Mr. Arthur Lowen Basam. He was an Australian scholar known for his comprehensive study of Indian history, literature, religion, and culture. Mr. Heinrich Zimmer, a German scholar, worked on Indian arts, mythology, and philosophy. Miss Wendy J. Doniger, an American scholar, specialized in Hinduism and mythology. Mr. Johannes Bronkhorst, a Dutch scholar, worked on history of Indian philosophy. Mr. Sheldon Pollock is known for his work on Sanskrit literature, Indian intellectual history, and cultural history of South Asia. Mr. Pollock was an American scholar. Mr. David Schulman, an Israeli scholar, is known for his work on South Indian languages, literature, and culture. Lastly, we refer to Mr. George Feuerstein. Mr. Feuerstein was a German scholar known for researching yoga, tantra, and Indian philosophy. Many Indian scholars have contributed significantly to the study of India. Notable among them are Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Mr. Radhakrishnan was a renowned philosopher and statesman who contributed significantly studying Indian philosophy and religion. He also served as the second president of India between 1962 and 1967. Mr. Attipate Krishnaswamy Ramanujan was a poet, scholar, and folklorist known for his work on Indian folklore, literature, and culture. Mr. Damodar Dharmanand Kosambi, a renowned mathematician and historian focused on ancient Indian history and culture. Mr. Ramesh Chandra Majumdar, a historian specialized in ancient India and medieval India's history. Mr. Ramchandra Narayan Dandekar is a renowned scholar known for researching the Vedic literature and Indian culture. Mrs. Kapila Vatsayan is a scholar of Indian classical dance, art and culture. Also, important contributors are Mr. Vaidyanath Saraswati, a scholar renowned for his work on Indian philosophy and Vedic studies, and Mr. Upendra Singh, a historian and author specializing in ancient Indian history. Bharatatattva, in its comprehensive approach, contributes to our understanding of Indian subcontinent's past and present and fosters a deeper appreciation of its profound influence on global culture, philosophy, and art. The field continues to evolve, embracing new research, methodologies, and interdisciplinary approach to enrich our knowledge of India's diverse and multifaceted heritage. Namaste.